Lola, down. Good girl. Dang. Sorry guys, I gotta do something real quick. Every time I take a video of them, I'm watching SpongeBob.
Thanks, I've been dying for one of these. Where's my drink?
What drink?
My drink? My Diet Dr. Kelp? Don't tell me you forgot my drink!
But you didn't order any.
How am I supposed to eat this pizza without my drink? Didn't you ever once think of the customer? You call yourself a delivery boy? Well, I ain't buying! Fun?
They do make good playmates when it's a house cat.
It's okay.
Yeah, folks. Let them play together. Then when the rabbit goes in the cage, it's out the door.
I can wash my clothes.
That's good. I'm taking a video of them again.
Now if we can just get the toilet to work.
Yeah, and Ryan, we probably need to get a new trash bag because Lola done ripped at the McDonald's bag. But look, I'm taking a video of them. And it's funny, Ryan. Every time, oh, baby girl's on the couch. Sorry, baby. I didn't mean to hit you.
Okay.
You're sweating. She ran from me when I went to go pet her. I guess she's watching for. Oh my God!
Again. Yeah, we're gonna have them.
Sorry guys, I gotta end this video. The cat just knocked the cage down and we have a baby rabbit inside.